Hi, this is Karim Khan, and I am about to detail this Big Daddy, Granddaddy Rolls Royce.
All the merit to the foundation of the music, to all the godfathers who set it. You know, you have some little people who don't know respect. As a matter of fact, them just want to hard men for the elders, but you see the elders them? You see the elders them? Tell them, say, watch it. When a nurse, when a pet, when a dribbler, when a soda, when a powder. When a better respect the elder entertainer. When a nurse, when a pet, when a dribbler, when a soda, when a powder. All of the foundation said respect for some little entertainer. What is
Finally, the job has been completed. 3 full days of work on this Rolls Royce Big Daddy, Granddaddy vehicle. You can see it in the background how beautiful it looks.
Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. If they want like them want disrespect, legend. Cool, cool. You ride on roll. You ride a godfather of the DJ school. Cool, cool. Jayo done roll. Influential factor of the DJ school. Cool, cool. King Stitch done roll. He's a father Stitch well equipping at the school. Cool, cool. Brigadier done roll. Dreadlocks educator of the DJ school. So, when a nurse, when a vet, when a dribbler, when a soda, when a powder. They all the youngsters who are